Part 2 of before you say I do. Before you say yes, I do to any man. I've dropped the part 1. You have to watch this part 2. Before you say I do to any man, before you go ahead and marry any man, let me tell you guys. You know, in Christianity, I talk so much about Christianity. I make reference to Bible because I'm a Christian. And I believe there are religions like the Islam and the other religion that, you know, we have similarities when it comes to religion. Like the Bible said that it said marriage is honorable, bed undefiled. I don't need to expatiate that scripture of the Bible. It means say before you marry, make una no knack each other, una no do they do. Now what did the Bible mean by that? And because of you to make up that way. Bible say when you see person you want marry, say una no do they do. Make una forgive the matrimonial bed holy abi Make una forgive the matrimonial bed holy. Sorry. Bed undefiled. Undefiled. Not be undefiled. I know go school. But I tell you now. And say wisdom is it's the same Bible that said wisdom is profitable to direct. Before you go ahead to marry any man, because he be Christian and you no want to commit sin, no one do they do because of your belief. One thing you must ask, you must discuss libido. Yes, discussing libido does not stop. The Bible is not against it. If you don't meet man well you like on a date, you never do they do because say you be Christian or you are born again. Discuss libido with the man. It is called communication. Discuss libido. Tell the man how is your libido? How is your libido for woman? I know YouTube will restrict me. I don't know what to say. Tell the man, man, discuss libido. Tell the man say whether if he pay for bed, how in body they do. If he stand up for in the morning, how in body they do. Shey in thing they stand well. Shey they feel like man. Ask am, because most of these born again brothers they know they feel like man. If they stand up in the morning, see make I tell una one thing. Any man wey sleep, wey wake up in the morning, when in third leg no stand well, the person you no go fit do they do very well o. Make I tell una the truth. The person no go fit do they do very well. As say be say you be real man, once you don't wake up in the morning, the first thing you say, you know, that your third leg, you go stand straight. Now you go show you say yes, he be man. You know, just stand straight too. You go strong also. And even though you know they do, how your body they feel you, how your body they do you go discuss am. Discuss am. Ask your man, say, if una don't marry, how many times in go lie to they do? Now where libido come inside? Any man wey tell you say I fit do like 3-4 times daily, they know say the man get high libido. There's nothing wrong with that, discussing libido. There's nothing wrong with it at all. Discuss it. Discuss libido. Discuss libido before marriage. Okay? Discuss am. Ask the man how in the light they do am. I don't know, I won't put this in. No. Ask the man how in go like to do am. He be the type where they like am. In the like am raw or in the like make it for the protect. Ask am. This video I'm not because of YouTube. I don't know how I want to talk am. Tell am in the like am raw or you like they protect. Make I tell una the advantage of this question. Most of una think say maybe I dey teach something where you say no dey godly. Who tell you say no dey godly? Una just dey deceive on yourself, abi. Now when you don't marry, now you go know. You never see situation where person go marry after 3 days, you go run comot from the marriage. What did you say if you cause am? Two things are involved. Whether the man third leg too big, or it too dey small, or no though they even work at all. So do you prefer when you marry make you run for your marriage? No be say there are things so you say you go do, or the questions where you go ask where you go save you future problem. If they form holiness, abi they make points they wear you. Ask am whether in the like and raw, abi in the like or they protect. Any man wey say the like and raw, better run for your life, because as you go down, so you go dey down for outside. As they go down for outside, you go also dey down raw for with people outside. Before you know, you go carry infection can't give you. Sure, you know. Not so most of our husband, and so when they say they like and raw like that. Now so they go like and raw, they reach outside. And when they carry disease, they can't give their wife for house. So I don't know if you don't understand. You understand what the point how they talk. Ask and question. These are sensitive questions. Ask your husband to be. Ask your fiancé. Ask your fiancé. Ask him, how many children do you want us to have? It's another sensitive question. Yes. How many kids? How many children do you want us to have? Let me tell you, there are men that will tell you, I want 5 children. I want 7 children. Meanwhile, you as a woman, your strength no fit go for 5 and 7. Maybe you just feel like, okay, I'll just born only 2 or 3. So check your strength. Check your strength as a woman. How many children you know if it born? When you say your strength fit carry. Now, woman they carry belly or no be man no. Man no say like they go just put them inside. Now you go carry the belly for 9 months. So now you go push. Now you go born now. You understand? So check your strength. Check your stamina. Can I be able to give birth to 7 children? Can I be able to give birth to 5 children? Some men will even tell you I want 10 children. You never see. Some African men, they tell you say I like children. Like say they want to go sell the children. Discuss children. How many children will you want us to have? It's a very important question. Ask. Before you say you go marry now, tomorrow you go to get problem for marriage. If your strength carry the number when it call for you, you can go ahead. I don't know if you understand. Also discuss blood group. Discuss blood group. Genotype is very, very important, my dear sister. When love they blindfold your eyes, know the reasoner. Imagine say you go date person 1 year, 2 years, for 5 good years, never know the person genotype, abi. When you don't dey in love, don't get carried away. When at the dying minute, we say make una for go do genotype, when I for do marriage, because you say we cannot marry, you be SS, I be SS. All that time when you dey knack, you don't know say supposed to do genotype. I don't know they knock you up and down, back and front. You know, say supposed to go do genotype. In fact, before you go into any serious relationship with anybody, discuss the genotype. If you know say this relationship now go soon lead to marriage, discuss genotype. To see if you say the thing, you will proceed with it or not. It's very, very important. That's why I say so many people, they cry to say after how many years, we cannot marry because of genotype. A wise person, when you see a guy that you love, first of all, ask for genotype, whether on will even marry or not, but ask for genotype, because anything will happen along the line. Discuss genotype, okay? Discuss genotype. Then another sensitive question you ask your guy, tell and say, are you getting over your ex? You see, make a tell on her. You see this ex girlfriend, ex boyfriend, they break home well. If they break marriage, let me they tell on her. A guy if he meets and I say I've broken up with my ex. We are no longer together. Ask him, have you gotten over him? No, we say you don't break up with your ex. You know see they think about that your ex. You know see they chat him. You know see they view her profile, her status. Ask. Some of them they say they are no longer together. You're no longer together, but they always view in status. They go in her DM, Abi. They go check her status. They go see what that happen for her life, Abi. And you say you don't get over him, over her. Sorry. Have you get over your ex? Ask before you marry. No, sir, no tell you. Because if that young man no get over his ex, you know how they do nowadays, they'll tell you we are done, we are broken up. Once you don't marry you, after like maybe some month or 1 year, when you say you don't get tired of you go back, you go reconnect back to that ex. Yes. Before you know, then go rekindle the love again. They can't rekindle the love. They can't start the date. If they never get over each other, okay, even though if he don't get over the ex, has the ex get over him? That's another question. Has your ex moved on? Ask that question. Because if the ex never moved on, he himself never gets over the ex. My sister, sorry, you go get competition. No, say I no tell you. You go get competition. Hey. Then ask him one question. Is there any lady in your family? Is there any lady your family wants you to marry? This is another point. You know, say family and then they decide marriage for their sons. Way. Most families, like in Africa, let me say 60 to 70% of African mothers, then they get wife for their sons. I don't know why it be like that. They will tell you, I want my son to marry you. So this is the particular lady they like, because if and anything outside that lady, if you bring any other lady come, the mother-in-law, you know, allow you rest too. Ask him, is there a particular lady your family wants you to marry? Ask. Just casually asking all these questions. You don't need to take this question seriously. Just casually ask him and hear him out. If he said yes, there's a particular lady, my mom wants to marry a particular lady, my sister, you better run for your life. Because if the mama say make you no marry you, go ahead marry you. The woman, you go frustrate you for that marriage. You no, sir, not tell you. No, sir, not tell you. Any man where the mama get particular woman for her, if you no marry that woman, you marry any other woman, the wife no go get peace for that house. So. Or may one sister-in-law get one particular best friend, you want me to marry, you no marry him. Ask. Understand? Ask him, Oga, can I know your ATM card, ATM pin? In fact, this question, any man will claim to love you, make I tell him I want it. Any man will claim to love you, ask him for his ATM pin, make you see his reaction. Say, can I access your ATM pin? You understand? Say, Oga, can I access your ATM pin? Any man that cannot give his ATM pin, that cannot allow you to have access to his ATM card, madam, run. Also, run. Because if you marry that man, you go use stinginess finish you for house. Any man where they hide in ATM pin for a woman, you know, truly love the woman. Matter a real man, a real man that truly love his girlfriend. I tell you, you don't even need to ask. Willingly, go they give you his card. Maybe for go they withdraw money. If you want to do transaction, go tell you say, baby, take. Do withdrawal. You know, go on hide something from you. That is called true love. That is real man. But any man wey sabi hide. You collect salary, you go they hide. No go even know amount so they collect. Oh yeah, bring ATM pin, come and make a go withdraw money. You go they hide pin. Ask him question. Can I access your ATM card? Can I access your ATM pin? Ask him. Another question you will ask, say, who you want to use as your next of king if God bless you tomorrow? This question, another wonderful question. He said, if God blesses you tomorrow, who do you want to use as your next of king? Ask him. You go to hear greedy men say, my brother, my mother, my father. Now you will come last. My sister, you're just in fact, I don't know how to describe you. Any man where they tell you, say, when I want my will, if God bless me tomorrow, that my brother, you see that my brother where they now that my brother, don't suffer with me, now he go be my next of king. And my mama don't suffer with me. No, my mama go be my next of king. Or my baby, my children, I know they use my children play. Yeah. It means that man no get your interest for her too. I don't know if you understand. The Bible said, for this reason, shall a man leave his father and his mother, and shall cleave unto his wife, and they two shall become one. It means once you are married, husband and wife, they become one, and everything where the man gets, now the woman gets them. But most African men, they are not like that. They go don't marry, they not go they fulfill the scripture. You hear me, ba? Ask these questions next of king. Asking you say next of king no mean say the man won't pay you. It's good to ask. All these things you are asking for you to know, and it's good for you to know. So that if you are to go ahead with the marriage, or you need to change your mind, it no go too day late that time. Asking these last questions. She asking about the father. Ask him about his father. How your papa be? See, let me tell you, any man that will treat his wife right, check the history of his father. Any man, when you see a good husband, trace into his family house, trace into his father. The father must be a good man. And so he be. And any man where they maltreat him, wife, the papa, if they maltreat him mama, ask him, is your father a good man? Let him brief you little history about his father life. Does your father test people's land? Shey your papa dey collect land from people, land wey no be own, you go claim am. Shey your papa dey do juju? Ask. Go use juju dey collect people land, dey collect people wife. Ask him this question. Does your father oppress people unnecessarily? Ask. See, let me tell you guys, this question you no need a fight to ask. Just casually could ask the question one after the other. Does your father beat your mother? When growing up as a child, what was your experience with your father and your mother? Ask him this question. This question will help you go a very long way. Is your father generous to your mother? When your father gets salaries, how does he split his salary? Does he give your mother a good amount of money to cook food? Does he buy your mother clothes? Does he take care of your mother's family? Ask these questions. It's very, very important, please. It's better you ask. Let's say a broken relationship is better than a broken marriage. That is the truth. When you know these things, then they follow the man lifestyle, make it observant. But I answer you, and from your lifestyle, in character, you go know whether he's going to make a good father tomorrow or not. Make us stop here. This is not the part 2. Or before you say I do, before you go into marriage, part 2. Question you must ask, part 2. So I'm going to drop the part 3. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe. My name is Annie Lecturer. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe so that we can grow together. Share this video to friends and family. Share it to groups, WhatsApp group. And also do not forget to click the like button if you like this video. Thanks for watching. I love you. I will see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.